Failing to achieve a marketing objective can stem from a variety of factors. Understanding these common pitfalls can help organizations identify potential issues early and take corrective action to get back on track. Reason 1. Unclear or unrealistic objectives. As objectives that are vague, overly ambitious, or not aligned with the overall business strategy can lead to failure. Without clear, measurable, and attainable goals, it's difficult to direct efforts effectively. For example, setting an objective to increase brand awareness without specifying a target audience, time frame, or measurable indicators makes it hard to track progress or success. Reason 2. Insufficient market research. As a lack of thorough market research can result in a poor understanding of customer needs, preferences, and behaviors, leading to ineffective marketing strategies and campaigns. For example, launching a product without understanding the competitive landscape or customer demand might result in low sales because the product does not meet market needs. Reason 3. Inadequate budgeting and resource allocation, as failing to allocate sufficient financial, human, or technological resources can hinder the execution of marketing strategies. An underfunded campaign is unlikely to achieve its goals. For example, if a marketing plan requires a significant digital advertising spend but the budget is too low, the campaign might not reach enough people to generate the desired impact. Reason 4. Poor targeting and positioning. As ineffective targeting or positioning can result in marketing messages reaching the wrong audience or failing to resonate with the intended market. This misalignment reduces the likelihood of achieving marketing objectives. For example, promoting a high-end luxury product to a price-sensitive demographic may lead to low engagement and sales. Reason 5. Lack of differentiation. As in a crowded marketplace, failing to differentiate the product or brand can lead to it being overlooked by consumers. Without a unique value proposition, it's challenging to stand out and capture market share. For example, a new smartphone brand that offers similar features to existing competitors but does not highlight any unique selling points may struggle to gain traction. Reason 6. Ineffective communication and messaging, as marketing campaigns that fail to communicate the right message or fail to connect with the audience on an emotional level can lead to disengagement. Messaging that is unclear, inconsistent, or irrelevant to the target audience will likely fall flat. For example, a campaign that uses overly technical language when targeting a general consumer audience may fail because the message is not easily understood. Reason 7. Inconsistent branding, as inconsistent branding across different channels and touchpoints can confuse customers and weaken brand recognition. Consistency is key to building and maintaining a strong brand identity. For example, a brand that presents itself as eco-friendly but uses non-sustainable materials in its products might lose credibility and trust with the consumers. Reason 8. Poor execution. Even with a solid strategy, poor execution can derail a marketing objective. This can include issues such as missed deadlines, low-quality creative content, or technical failures in digital campaigns. For example, a social media campaign that is not launched on time due to delays in content creation may miss critical engagement opportunities. Reason 9. External factors. As external factors such as economic downturns, regulatory changes, or shifts in consumer behavior can impact the success of a marketing objective. These factors are often beyond the control of the organization, but must be anticipated and managed. For example, a sudden change in government regulations might require changes in product labeling or advertising, delaying a campaign launch. Reason 10. Failure to monitor and adapt. as not monitoring the performance of marketing activities in real time or failing to adapt strategies based on feedback and data can lead to continued underperformance. Flexibility is crucial for addressing issues as they arise. For example, continuing a marketing campaign that is underperforming without making adjustments based on analytics and feedback can result in wasted resources and missed objectives. Reason 11. Lack of alignment with sales and other departments. If the marketing department is not aligned with sales, customer service, or other key departments, the efforts may be disjointed and less effective. Cross-functional collaboration is essential for cohesive customer experiences. For example, a marketing campaign that drives traffic to a website but doesn't coordinate with sales to ensure product availability or adequate follow-up may lead to lost opportunities. Reason 12. Ignoring customer feedback as failing to listen to or act on customer feedback can result in marketing strategies that do not meet customer expectations or address their pain points. Customer feedback is vital for refining marketing efforts. For example, if customers express dissatisfaction with a product feature, but the marketing strategy continues to emphasize it, this could lead to negative brand perception. Reason 13. Over-reliance on a single channel or strategy, as relying too heavily on one marketing channel or strategy without diversification can be risky. If that channel underperforms, it could jeopardize the entire marketing objective. For example, focusing solely on email marketing while neglecting social media, content marketing, or other channels could limit audience reach and engagement. Reason 14. Inadequate measurement and analytics. As without proper tools and processes for measuring and analyzing marketing performance, it's difficult to assess whether objectives are being met. Inadequate measurement can result in missed opportunities for optimization. For example, running a digital ad campaign without tracking conversions or customer journeys may lead to poor decision-making and an inability to optimize for better results. Reason 15. Internal resistance to change, as organizational culture or internal resistance to new ideas can hinder the successful implementation of a marketing plan. Employees may be reluctant to adopt new strategies or technologies, leading to suboptimal execution. For example, if a company's marketing team is resistant to adopting digital marketing strategies in favor of traditional methods, they may miss out on reaching a broader online audience. In conclusion, achieving marketing objectives requires clear, realistic goals, backed by thorough research and well-executed strategies. Flexibility, continuous monitoring, and adaptation to changing conditions are essential to overcome challenges. Cross-functional alignment, effective communication, and customer-centric approaches are crucial for success. Identifying potential issues early and taking corrective action can prevent failure and help meet marketing objectives.